Hey, it's Pete from Sendly here again. So in this video, we're going to show you how to add the timers to your websites, also inside of your funnel, to help you generate more leads. And also it's going to really help you convert more sales inside of your ecom funnel or inside of your ecom store. So let's get into that video. So they look pretty cool, right? So what could you actually use them for? So you could use them on your e-commerce site as cart opens and cart closes. You could also use them for your online courses for when they start, or when your group opens on Facebook. You could use them for start times for webinars and so many more. So let's head off into my computer and let's go in there and show you how to put these things together so you can have maximum effect, start generating more leads and more sales within inside of your business today. So let's go. Okay, so we're already inside of the builder. I've gone ahead and set up a quick landing page, which is the G.I. Jane Bootcamp. Okay, you can join our third exclusive booty camp for women looking to get rock solid abs ready for the summer seasons. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. What we're going to show you is how to add the timer, and then what kind of functions can we do with the actual timer itself. Okay, so to find the timer, simply go across to the plus button there where you can add the timer widget. Then we're going to scroll slightly down to the bottom, and then you're going to see the countdown timer icon just here. Simply click it and drag into the position where you want it to display on the landing page or inside the website or even inside of your funnel. Okay, so now we've got the timer there, then we come up with this box over here to the right hand side. In here then we have three different boxes. We have the countdown type, select time, and an action. When counter ends, what we want to do. So let's take a look at the countdown types. Okay, inside the countdown types then we have another drop down menu. Inside of here we have count to date, count time, and count numbers. So let's take a look at counting to date. Once you've selected the count to date, simply select time. Inside of here then you're going to see a calendar, and inside that calendar then you can set whenever you want your timer to end. So let's go for the 29th of July this year. And as you're going to see, it's going to start counting down. So 35 days, 6 hours, 4 minutes and 30 something seconds. You can adjust the time and the hours here. So if you have it to start at a specific time, then you can do so. Okay, let's close that. Okay, so let's take a look at count time. Counting time then works in a couple of different ways. Okay, in here we can have hours, minutes, and seconds. So let's just type in, we want our counter to count for 5 minutes. Do we want to have our counter reset on each page visit? For example, if somebody comes to our website, do we want the counter to start counting, and once it reaches 0, even if they're not on the website, it changes the page, which we're going to show you shortly? Or do you want the counter to reset every single time they come onto the page? And you can do that by clicking this button here. Reset on each page view. That's meaning then when every time they come to the same web page, the counter will start counting down at the same time. Let's just deselect that. Okay, so what do we want to happen when the counter ends? So we can do nothing, or we can actually make it really dynamic by going to a page or showing a pop-up, or simply by showing a message. So if we click on go to page or show pop-up, okay, it's going to ask us now here for a link to open. So what you can do is you can already select it to go to any of your pages, or you can go and create a new page and add that link in. So when the countdown timer finishes, this page will totally disappear and they'll go to that new page. So for instance, we can add any of our pages inside of your page groups, inside of here, or we can direct them straight to the store, okay, or to another product. We can add them in any kind of funnel, at any step inside your funnel. So if you have a 4-step funnel, you can insert them to whatever step that you wish. Or even if you have a 50-step funnel, you can insert them into that funnel wherever you want to there. We can open it up to an external link. So that's anywhere on the web. We can select an anchor point. So if you've already selected an anchor point within inside of your website, then you can do that. Then we have a file, a pop-up. So when the countdown extinguishes, we can show a pop-up, an email or a phone number. Okay, so we're just going to close this for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new page for ready when this countdown timer extinguishes. But first, let's show you how to edit this timer. Okay, so we can hit this timer here. We can come over to the little paintbrush. On here then, we can select the size, text color, background color, show days, show seconds, add shadows, and flip with animation, which is flipping at the minute. So let's just resize this. All we need to do is drag it. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to change the color. Okay, we're going to keep on brand. Or simply insert your own hex code there. Okay, and then we can change the text color if we wish. So we can have it matching the background, or you can have it white, or you can have it literally any color that you wish. Let's select black. Okay, so do we want it to show days? No, in this instance I don't want to show days. So let's just take away those days there so we can see that there's only 4 minutes and 27 seconds left. Do we want to add a shadow to the flip? Nope. Okay, or do we want to flip the animation or not flip the animation? So currently it's not flipping, and next it is flipping. So that's entirely up to you if you want to select on or off with a flip. For instance, we're just going to keep this on. Okay, so I just want to move this around. So we're going to click onto the icon again. We're going to come into there, hit align left. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to slightly drag it down a little bit, move the spacer. Okay, that looks good. I'm happy. Then we're going to click save. So what we want to do then is we want to create a new page. So in 3 minutes and 40 seconds, what do we want this page to show instead of showing this page? So let's take for instance then that this G.I. Jane bootcamp enrollment ends in the next 3 minutes. And we don't want to show this page to new visitors. Okay, and we want to show them a new page. Okay, simply what I can do is I can come into this block and copy. Come down to pages. Find the page we're working on and duplicate. And duplicate. Okay, so this is the new page. So now we want to change this page to what we want to show them when the counter runs down. Now closed. Okay, tap the button below to reserve your space for the next date. Okay, and then they can come in here and reserve. Really, really simple. Okay, and then we can send them to a page wherever we want to. Okay, I'm just going to hit save changes there. Okay then, so let's go back to the main page where we firstly set it up. Okay, so we're going to go to checkout timer. We're going to go here. I'm going to click onto this timer then, come to edit, and across here we want to go to a new page. Let's find that page. Okay, page groups. This one. I want to open it in the same tab and select. Okay, so let's fast forward this time. Okay, so I want to go for, let's say 10 seconds. So in 10 seconds time then, this page will revert to the new page. Let's click save. Oh, let's just change that. Zero. Let's just change that to 15 seconds just to allow us some time to shift pages. Click save. Now let's preview. Okay, so we're just going to sit here for 5, 4, and we're going to see the page change. Okay, so now the bootcamp is closed. Nobody else can enroll for this bootcamp. So if they need to reserve, then they can come here. So it doesn't matter if they try to go back through the browser, it's going to show them this page. Pretty smart, right? So as you can see, adding the timers inside of your websites or inside of your funnels is very, very easy, but also very, very powerful. And don't forget that you can actually move your timers from your websites to your funnels, from your funnels to your websites, and websites to pop-ups. It doesn't matter where it is, okay? You're only limited by your imagination with these timers. They're so powerful. I do suggest that you go in and try them and use them with inside of your funnels and your websites. Then you're going to see how dynamic they really are and how they can help you generate more leads and increase your sales at the same time. So if you need a hand with your timers inside of your website or inside of your funnels, always feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you, enable you to create amazing websites and funnels for your business. So if you like this video, just simply comment below, share your thoughts with us, and I'll see you in the next video.